The Secret of Star Island. One night, under the starry sky, Akira, a boy living in a small village, was captivated by the mysterious singing voice heard in the depths of the mountain. Together with his friend Yui, he decided to find out the identity of the voice. The two find an old map on the outskirts of the village. It showed a place called Star Island, and it was written that there was a mysterious fruit called dream fruit. It is said that if you eat this fruit, you can experience adventure while sleeping. They leave with what they need. Through the forest, across the river, they finally arrived at the Star Island. The island is shrouded in fantastic light, and countless stars are shining in the sky. However, there was a mysterious guardian on the island. His name is Luna, the spirit of the night. Luna tells them, "In order to get the fruit of your dreams, you must overcome the fear in your heart." Akira and Yui faced the test. Akira was afraid of being alone, and Yui was worried about failing. The two of them faced their fears while supporting each other. Finally, they overcame the ordeal and were able to receive the fruit of their dreams from Luna. After eating the fruit, they fell asleep and experienced various adventures in their dreams. They flew in the sky, became friends with giant sea creatures, and stood up to evil as brave knights. When they wake up, Akira and Yui leave the island. Among them, there was the strength and infinite possibilities that overcame their fears. After returning to the village, the two of them took a new step towards the future with the adventure on the Island of the Stars in mind. And the taste of the fruit of dreams always remained in their hearts. An end.